A few weeks ago, I made a video about self-defense tools that you should throw away, and wow, some of y'all were really not happy. The comment section was on fire. Some of y'all completely agreed, while others were straight up offended that I'd even suggest that some gear wasn't ideal for real-world self-defense.
I have a lot of questions. Number one, how dare you?
So today we're doing it again. Here are 3 more self-defense weapons that you should probably throw away. Buckle up. This video is sponsored by Eclipse Holsters. These holsters are insanely customizable with tons of different patterns, colors, belt clips, and aluminum washers. They also have some really cool custom accessories to go with your holster. I've been to their factory and seen their process firsthand. They care so much about the quality of every holster that they make. The best part is that your holster will ship in just 3 business days or less. If you want a custom holster with 0 wait time and a lifetime guarantee, then check them out at eclipseholsters.com. The first one is a tricked out full-size handgun. Big, heavy, outside the waistband guns with giant mag wells and massive optics are really fun to shoot at the range. Don't get me wrong, I like to play John Wick too. But being great with your full-size gadget gun doesn't actually keep you safe. If you can't carry it every day, it's not going to save you. If you're attacked at a gas station and your gun is at home in the safe, it may as well be in Narnia because it's not doing you any good. And if all you do at the range is shoot your tricked out Glockzilla and you carry a tiny little 380 in your pocket that you can't even shoot well, ooh, that's a problem. Find a sensible in-between gun, something that you can shoot well and carry consistently. If you want to keep your tricked out blaster for fun, go for it. I've got 2 Thor hammers, so I'm not judging.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Next is a folding pocket knife. Now, I know some of y'all are gonna hate me for this, but I'm right. Honestly, if I said you shouldn't carry a sharp piece of glass every day, then 50 people in the comments would be like, I carry glass every day and it's the best weapon for self-defense. Good for you. Folding knives are great, and I carry one just about every day. They're great for opening boxes, packages, or to whittle a good stick.
Whittle a good stick.
But for self-defense, they're garbage. Here's why. They're slow. You've got to dig it out of your pocket, and that's assuming that it's clipped in the spot that you're expecting it to be. Then you've got to open the blade, get a good grip, and try not to slice your fingers off in the process, under a lot of stress. If I'm going for a knife in a self-defense situation, it's because I don't have the time or the space to get to my gun. It means there's a deadly threat that's already on top of me, and I need something fast. That's why a fixed blade is a much better option. You grab it, you pull, it's ready to go. Next is a pepper ball gun. These are a nightmare. Now, I don't actually have a problem with how these function. From what I've seen, they're actually decently effective. As a hobbyist who likes self-defense gadgets, they're kind of cool. But here's the big problem. They're a legal gray area. These things look exactly like a handgun. That creates a huge legal risk. Picture this. You carry your pepper ball gun in a holster in a bank or a post office, or maybe to a festival where you can't carry your gun. You know it's a non-lethal weapon and not a gun, but no one else does. An employee calls 911 about a guy with a gun. He's got a gun! See the problem? Or let's say your neighbor pulls one on you in a heated argument. You think it's a real gun and you respond with lethal force by pulling your own gun and shooting. Now you're facing the legal consequences of using deadly force against someone who wasn't actually armed with a deadly weapon. But it was a weapon, but it wasn't deadly, but it looks just like a deadly weapon.
And it may sound easy, but nothing could be harder. It will test your head and your mind and your brain too.
Even if your reaction felt justified in the moment, the law might not see it that way, and that's a legal mess for you. So just don't carry one. There are much better non-lethal tools that don't create legal confusion. But what do you think? Do you carry one of these tools? Let me know in the comments down below. So if all these tools are trash, then what should you carry every day? Check out this video next to see the gear that I carry every single day. The stuff that actually works when it counts. If you gain value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe down below and share it with somebody. Until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.